Are you hiding your smile because of how yellow or stained it is? Do you wish you could have teeth as white as those models in toothpaste commercials? Well, if you answered yes, then I've got some incredible news for you. Because today I'm going to unlock 7 whitening secrets that will make your teeth several shades whiter in just a few days. And the best part is, they're all natural. So you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars at the dentist getting your teeth bleached. In fact, these methods are so powerful that you may even get better results than you would with professional teeth whitening. So let's get started. Teeth whitening secret number 1, baking soda and hydrogen peroxide toothpaste. This is one of the most popular and effective DIY teeth whitening remedies out there, and for good reason too. It's incredibly easy to do. Just mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of hydrogen peroxide to form a paste. Then take a toothbrush and rub the paste onto your teeth gently for 2 minutes. Finally, rinse with water and you're done. But what makes this remedy so effective? Well, baking soda is a natural abrasive that can help remove surface stains on your teeth. And hydrogen peroxide is a powerful bleaching agent that can break down and remove deeper stains. Together, they make a dynamic duo that can really make your teeth sparkle. Teeth whitening secret number 2, oil pulling. Oil pulling is an ancient Ayurvedic practice that involves swishing oil around in your mouth to pull out toxins and bacteria. And while it may sound weird, there's actually quite a bit of scientific research to back up its effectiveness. In fact, one study found that participants who practiced oil pulling for 20 minutes a day over the course of 14 days had significantly cleaner teeth and fresher breath than those who did none. But what does this mean for teeth whitening? Well, by removing harmful bacteria from your mouth, you can prevent them from producing acids that erode your tooth enamel and cause staining. Plus, some oils like coconut oil and sesame oil have natural bleaching properties that can help brighten your smile even further. To practice oil pulling, simply choose an oil like coconut or sesame oil and swish it around in your mouth for 10 to 20 minutes. You can spit it out, re-swallow it, it's up to you. Teeth whitening secret number 3, activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is a super absorbent material that can help remove toxins and impurities from your body. When applied to teeth, it can absorb and trap staining agents, preventing them from adhering to your teeth in the first place. It can also help remove surface stains by acting as a natural abrasive. To use activated charcoal for teeth whitening, you can mix 1–2 teaspoons of activated charcoal powder with a little water to form a paste. Apply the paste to your toothbrush and brush your teeth gently for 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and voila, you'll notice a significant difference in the whiteness of your teeth after just one use. Teeth whitening secret number 4, say goodbye to stains with white tea. White tea contains high levels of polyphenols, which are natural compounds that have been shown to inhibit the growth of bacteria and prevent the formation of plaque and tartar. Plaque and tartar are major contributors to teeth discoloration, so by drinking white tea, you can help keep your teeth looking their best. But that's not all. White tea also has a mild bleaching effect that can help brighten your smile even further. So next time you're looking for a tasty and healthy drink, reach for a cup of white tea. Your teeth will thank you for it. Teeth whitening secret number 5, brush with strawberries. Strawberries contain an enzyme called malic acid, which is often found in many commercial teeth whitening products. Malic acid helps break down and remove stains on your teeth without causing any damage to the enamel. Simply cut a strawberry in half and brush your teeth with it for 1 to 2 minutes. You can even mash the strawberry first to make it easier to apply. After you're done, rinse your mouth thoroughly, and you'll notice a big difference in the whiteness of your teeth. Teeth whitening secret number 6, coconut water. Coconut water is a popular summer drink that's not only delicious and refreshing, but also has some amazing teeth whitening benefits. The high levels of magnesium and calcium in coconut water help strengthen your teeth and prevent cavities. These minerals also have a bleaching effect that can help brighten your smile over time. Plus, coconut water is a natural diuretic, which means it can help flush toxins and impurities out of your body, including the ones that are causing your teeth to be discolored. Teeth whitening. Secret number 7. Apple cider vinegar rinse. Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy for many health issues, and for good reason too. It's a natural disinfectant and has been shown to kill harmful bacteria and prevent the formation of plaque and tartar. By swishing apple cider vinegar around in your mouth, you can help remove bacteria that cause bad breath and tooth decay. You can do this by diluting 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of water and swishing it around in your mouth for 30 seconds before spitting it out. While this may not seem like much, it can make a big difference in the long run. If you want to accelerate the whitening process even further, try combining 2 or more of these natural teeth whitening methods. For example, you could brush your teeth with a baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste, and then follow up with an apple cider vinegar rinse. Just make sure to consult with your dentist first to ensure that these remedies are safe for you. There you have it. 7 simple and effective natural teeth whitening methods that you can try at home. So why wait? Give them a try today and unlock a brighter, more beautiful smile. And please remember to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you.